Did you know that they make sticky traps for insects that you could put inside your house? When we first moved down to Florida, I didn't, but now I do. And they're not just meant for mice, they're meant for insects, and they are great. Let me show you. This one's been sitting down for about a month. You can see it's got all these little insects, spiders, dust bunnies, you name it, caught in the trap, which is fantastic and exactly what we need them to do. They're called Tomcat sticky traps, and they are by far the best sticky traps that I've ever found. And we have them all over the house. When we first moved down here, we had a spider problem that was huge. I'm talking, and they're not the little spiders. They're like tennis ball sized spiders that were down here. But these were able to help us eliminate it. Now, I sealed off the house. Everything is sealed off, but they still find their way in. We get to sleep better at night knowing that these sticky traps are around and they're working 24/7. So all you have to do, you take it out, take off the plastic, you build this little new house now, and then all you have to do is find a corner, push something up against it. You don't have to, but I found out that it's a lot easier for insects to travel along baseboards, and spiders love to do that, and everything else loves to do that. So if you put it in an area where they're always gonna find themselves running and be comfortable, you're gonna catch a lot more, which is very good. I would say our spider problem dropped all the way down to 5%. I'm telling you, so it works 95% of the time, which is amazing. So go ahead, grab yourself some sticky traps if you didn't know that they were there, and you could sleep peacefully at night knowing that they're working for you 24/7. The more you know. I'll see you guys later.